Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very interesting because I'm going to tell you about a social media tool which helps you 10 times faster and free way to write AI content for social media post guys. Yes guys, whatever you are using, whatever kind of social media you have, and if you want to create the content for social media post, this tool will blow your mind guys. So let's start the video. Firstly, you will have to open your Google Chrome and write down a script by a scriptai.com. The scriptai.com, you will have to open the first website. Then this kind of interface will come, guys. You don't need to log in, you don't need to do anything. Just start using this website, guys. So go down and see they have given 100% free AI use cases. You can create Instagram a script writing, TikTok a script writing, short a script writer for TikTok, for Instagram, for Facebook, any kind of for LinkedIn, for hashtag for TikTok. You can create any kind of post for social media. So whatever you want to create, just click on that. Suppose I want to create an Instagram, I wanna write a script for my reel. So click on that Instagram a script writer and just give them whatever kind of video you wanna create. Put it here the video title. So I'm just giving it the video title like how to be healthy till die. Give some ideas to be healthy. Just I given the video title, and if you want you can just put it here video description. Otherwise leave it and select the language, whatever language you wanna use it. They have given multiple language, so I selected English. Whatever kind of informative video, professional video you have, just click on that, just choose it and just click it, generate real script, and within 10 seconds guys, see they have given that you will have to wait up to 40 seconds, but as I have experience, within 10 to 20 seconds they will write it the whole script. See guys, within 10 to 20 seconds they written the whole script, and how good they have written. I just asked from this website that how to be healthy, and see what are the result they have given. Eat a well balanced diet, exercise regularly, get enough rest, take care of your mental health, make time for yourself. So they have given you can make real beautiful reel from this a script. You can just copy it from here, you can use it anywhere you want to guys. So, and you can write it here the hashtag, short video script, any kind of things you can write it. So go to the home page again. See, I'll try one more thing. See, social media, LinkedIn post. Suppose Twitter, Twitter tweet. I'll just try to write it a Twitter tweet. So suppose you tweet about something. So just give them a topic. Suppose I give them like uh, American president given a statement about AI that AI will change the job market in the world, and just choose it and generate tweet. See how fast they will just generate it. See, they just created the AI Twitter tweet for you guys. Just copy it from here and you can just use it anywhere you want. So how fast and how simple this is. I love this using AI tool. So I hope you liked it, guys. So thank you for watching. If you wanna support us, please subscribe the channel because it takes hours to find this kind of AI tool for you guys. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a good day. All the best.